Hey gamers, welcome back to the channel. If you're on the hunt for the ultimate gaming desktop in 2025, you've come to the right place. Today, we're breaking down the top gaming rigs of the year that deliver insane performance, cutting-edge technology, and the power to crush any game you throw at them. Stick around to find out which desktop deserves a spot in your gaming setup. Alienware Aurora R16. First on the list is the Alienware Aurora R16, a beast of a gaming desktop that's built for serious gamers who demand top-tier performance. Let's dive into what makes it stand out. Powered by the latest Intel Core i9-9149F processor and 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, this machine can handle anything, from the most demanding AAA titles to heavy multitasking with ease. Storage is never an issue with its 1TB SSD for blazing fast load times, and an additional 1TB HDD for all your games, media, and files. Graphics, next level. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Super with 12 GB of GDDR6X memory delivers stunning visuals and smooth frame rates, making it perfect for 4K gaming or VR experiences. And let's not forget about cooling. This system is liquid-cooled, ensuring that your rig stays quiet and efficient even during the most intense gaming marathons. Running on Windows 11 Home, it's optimized for gaming, and the sleek Alienware design ensures it looks as good as it performs. Plus, with on-site service, you're covered if anything goes wrong. No need to worry about downtime. ASUS ROG G16. Next on our list is the ASUS ROG Strix G16CHR, a gaming desktop that combines raw power, cutting-edge tech, and sleek design to deliver an incredible gaming experience. Here's why it's a standout in 2025. At its core is the Intel i7-1470KF processor, offering high clock speeds and exceptional performance for gaming and multitasking. Pair that with a whopping 64 GB of DDR5 RAM, and you've got a machine that handles demanding games, streaming, and productivity tasks with ease. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 takes care of the visuals, delivering stunning graphics and smooth gameplay, whether you're playing in 4K or diving into VR. For storage, the desktop features an impressive 2TB SSD, ensuring lightning-fast load times and plenty of space for your game library. Plus, it comes with a 512 GB ADATA external SSD, perfect for backups or carrying your files on the go. To keep things cool during those intense gaming sessions, the liquid cooling system ensures optimal thermal performance. Add in Wi-Fi 6 for fast, reliable internet and a pre-bundled wired keyboard and mouse, and you've got a complete gaming setup right out of the box. Running on Windows 11 Pro, this rig is also ready for productivity, making it versatile for both work and play. Whether you're an esports pro or a casual gamer, the ASUS ROG Strix G16CHR is a beast of a machine that's ready to elevate your gaming experience to the next level. iBUYPOWER Y60. Coming in strong is the iBUYPOWER Y60 Black Gaming PC, a powerhouse that blends cutting-edge performance with a sleek, modern design. If you're a gamer looking for top-tier specs and stunning aesthetics, this rig might be your perfect match. At the heart of this beast is the AMD Ryzen 9790X CPU, delivering exceptional performance for gaming, streaming, and multitasking. With 32 GB of DDR5 RGB RAM clocked at an impressive 5200 MHz, you'll experience blazing fast speeds and smooth gameplay, even with the most demanding titles. For graphics, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super with 16 GB of memory ensures ultra-smooth frame rates, jaw-dropping visuals, and peak performance in 4K gaming or VR adventures. Storage is another highlight, with a massive 2TB NVMe SSD providing lightning-fast load times and plenty of space for your growing library of games and media. The design of the Y60 Black is just as striking as its performance. The panoramic glass panel showcases the vibrant RGB lighting inside, making it a centerpiece for any gaming setup. It's also Wi-Fi ready, ensuring seamless connectivity for online gaming and streaming. Powered by Windows 11 Home, it's optimized for gaming and productivity alike. The iBUYPOWER Y60 doesn't just perform, it makes a statement. Whether you're battling in an intense multiplayer game or creating content, this gaming PC is built to impress. Thermaltake LCGS Reactor i90. Last but certainly not least is the Thermaltake LCGS Reactor i90, a gaming desktop designed for gamers and creators who demand the absolute best in performance and style. Let's take a closer look at what makes this powerhouse a top contender in 2025. At the heart of the Reactor i90 is the Intel Core i9-1490KF processor, a beast of a CPU that handles gaming, streaming, and heavy workloads with ease. Paired with 32 GB of DDR5 RGB memory clocked at 5,600 megatransfers per second, you get lightning-fast speeds and a splash of customizable flair to match your setup. For graphics, this desktop features the ultimate in GPU power, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090. With unmatched performance, it's ready to tackle 4K gaming, VR experiences, and rendering tasks, delivering stunning visuals and buttery smooth frame rates. Storage is another highlight, with a massive 2TB NVMe M.2 SSD offering ample space for your games and files while ensuring ultra-fast load times. Add in Wi-Fi connectivity, and you've got seamless online performance for multiplayer gaming and streaming. The Thermaltake LCGS Reactor i90 doesn't just perform, it's a visual masterpiece. The stunning RGB lighting and sleek design make it a centerpiece for any gaming setup. And with Windows 11 pre-installed, it's optimized for gaming and productivity right out of the box. MSI Aegis ZS2. Next up, we have the MSI Aegis ZS2, a gaming desktop that's built to deliver top-tier performance while staying DIY-friendly for those who love to customize. Let's break down why this rig deserves a spot in your gaming setup. Under the hood, the Aegis ZS2 is powered by the AMD Ryzen R 9790X processor, offering phenomenal multi-core performance that's perfect for gaming, streaming, and even demanding creative workloads. With 32 GB of DDR5 memory, this machine ensures seamless multitasking and rapid response times for even the most intense gaming sessions. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Super handles graphics, delivering high frame rates, stunning 4K visuals, and smooth VR experiences, making it a great choice for gamers who want to push their settings to the max. For storage, it comes equipped with a spacious 2TB M.2 NVMe SSD, giving you lightning-fast load times and plenty of room for your game library. What sets the Aegis ZS2 apart is its focus on cooling and efficiency. The liquid cooling system keeps the CPU running at optimal temperatures, while the 80+ Gold PSU ensures reliable power delivery for peak performance. Connectivity is top-notch with Wi-Fi 6E, ensuring faster and more stable online gaming and streaming. Adding to its appeal, the system includes a keyboard and mouse, making it a complete package for gamers who want to jump right in. Plus, its DIY-friendly design means you can easily upgrade components to keep your rig future-proof. Running on Windows 11 Home, it's ready for work, play, and everything in between. Thanks for joining us for our rundown of the best gaming desktops of 2025. Whether you're looking for raw power, sleek design, or future-proofing your setup, there's something here for every type of gamer. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a gaming gear review.